We'll guide you through how to create an Amazon account. If you find this helpful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. An Amazon account allows you to shop and order items from Amazon. First, go to the Amazon website. Then, on the top right of the site where it says, "Hello, sign in," hover your mouse over it. You will see the Sign In button and the option New Customer. Start here. Click on Start Here. Now, we need to get started by entering your first and last name. Next, enter your mobile number or email. After that, enter a password. Note that passwords must be at least 6 characters. Once the password is entered, click on Verify Email. Now, check your email inbox for an email from Amazon. Here it is, and inside, you'll find your OTP, one-time password. You can either note it down or copy and paste it, then go back to Amazon and click on Verify. Next, Amazon will ask you to add a mobile number to enhance your account security. Just type in your mobile number, and after you've entered it, click on Add Mobile Number. You'll receive another OTP, which you need to enter in the provided field. Once you've entered the OTP, click on Create Your Amazon Account. Just like that, you've created your Amazon account. If you found this useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to Grow with ESA for more helpful content.